guys, I got the 32 sprocket on the back and the 15 tooth sprocket does not work. There's not enough room for the chain to go around. I put this on, I put the 15 tooth sprocket on the front there, and I started feeding the chain through, and there is just no room. The chain will not go through without destroying the engine case. So we're going to have the 14 on the front and the 30 in the back. And also I put a new chain on. We got a new chain on this guy right here. I'm real happy with this chain. I didn't even have to cut. I didn't even have to take a link off. I still got to put my chain guard on. That's right, I forgot my chain guard. See, I haven't got my helmet lock on. Put a helmet lock on. Got that on now. And this has been sitting for about 24 hours, so she's cold. So we're going to see what it does. And the way you start this guy here, prime it 2 to 5 times. It's really not that cold, so we'll leave it like that. That's what I want to hear. I'm still having problems with that goddamn part of my carburetor. Let me show you guys. My accelerator arm keeps on coming out of the hole, but I still have to put the second set of screws, my new set of screws on the carb, so I still got to take the carb off. And once I take the carb off, we're going to take that apart, because I did take it apart before. So maybe I didn't put it back together correctly. Got our new turn signal on. I got my acorn nuts on. I'm not going through that again. I'm not doing that again. Everything works, right? Yeah, I think we're all working, man. Horn works, everything works, guys. High beam works for full, man. Yeah, I'm going to still take the carb off because I got a second set of screws. I got a new set of screws somewhere over here on the parts table. Yeah, here they are, right here. The way I am, it bothers me, and I have to get them on. So yeah, the 15 tooth sprocket does not work. Does not you know, I've read about some guys. I've read some guys that they swear up and down they got a 15 tooth sprocket on the front. I don't know how they did it, because it will not work for me. The chain won't go around. The chain will hit the inside of the engine case. It just won't work. I don't know how you guys are doing it, but I can't. On this motorcycle with this chain here, it won't work. And let me show you the chain I bought. That's the chain right there. That's the chain I bought. 108 links. and it comes with a clip. So, okay guys, I'll catch y'all later, man.